Hello and welcome by Alessandro Zamboni. The opportunity I present you today is extraordinary and time limited. I present you Crypto Waltz, the unique lab where you can follow my cryptocurrency signals. I will tell you which crypto coin you can buy and sell for profit, and I will also give you thousands of free coins through selected airdrops. Not only that, because you can also access my wallet to see the coins I own anytime you want. All this without talking about the community where you can exchange ideas, talk and make friends. It is a fantastic project I had the luck to launch in Italy for testing purposes, and it's making people happy. If you want more profits without hard work, Crypto Waltz is here for you.